morning, friends. Here is Shakufi Billy Moria. Today we are going to talk about healthy and unhealthy snacks. Are you eating these? Kurkure, Lays? No, they're deeply fried in oil and are too bad. So first, we are going to talk about some healthy snacks. Please keep this aside. I don't like them. I have some roasted makhanas here. They are very nice and good for your health. Tell your mother or father to get some roasted makhanas and keep them in a container. And whenever you are hungry, it is ready. You can eat them. They are very delicious. I love them. So, you can eat more things like apple, mango. Mangoes are very good. And some boiled chanas or homemade popcorn. They are more good than ready-made popcorn. Thank you.